Hello guys, how you doing? Today I have 2018 650i X, which is like a F06 BMW. So what happened is like your turbo coolant hose are leaking. So supposedly it's like a big job to get this work done, because if you have to replace everything, the turbo from the back 1 and back 2. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna try, this is new parts over here. So we're gonna try to remove it. So to do this job, you will have to remove the airbags, left and right, and the intake shell, spark plug, O2 sensors, gotta come out. So if you don't want to do all this job, what you can do, you could remove this clamp, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You remove this clamp and you swap them with the new part and put an old new clamp in it. You left these, you don't touch these, you leave them in the car because they're not leaking over there, just leaking at the hose, and you swap this part of the hose, back 1 and back 2. So to do that, you can now remove this front cover and this brace bar that it come out to get access to the hose, this part of the hose down there, and also this one going to the auxiliary pump and turbo auxiliary pump, so that you will have to do like that, remove this reservoir for the coolant pump, for the turbo, and from there we're gonna do it together. Right now we're gonna move this front bracket support. So after this one is done, we're gonna try to remove the fan, take the fan out. So because we need to get access to this line there. That's one of them, and that's another one going over the auxiliary pump. To do that, we're gonna remove this reservoir, little reservoir, and to remove the reservoir, there's 1, 2, this is a 1 and 2, a 13 millimeters, and these 2 screws to get to the reservoir. Okay guys, now what we have to do is remove the turbo reservoir, this little one, which is over here between 211. One is here, the other one is over here. You have to disconnect that hose from the intercooler, and this one for the other one, which is bank 2, and this is bank 1, and this side going to the BME. You unplug all these coolant hose, and then you'll be able to pull the reservoir out. So if it's too tight for you, you could remove the radiator fan, but if it's you could do it without it, so you should be able to do it. And after that, that's a hose we have to change. That's going to the auxiliary pump right here. We're gonna remove the clamp and take the hose out, and the other one's this one, which is a bank 2, going to the upper radiator hose. Just pop it out and you should be able to get it out. After that, if you do it like that, it will save you a lot of time. Instead of remove all the airbags, clean the top of the engine, and also remove this fan. So let's do it like that.